Hi John,
Hey Tina,
what's up?
nothing much. Getting bored in this lockdown. What about you?
Same here, not doing anything productive.
Let's make one Instagram page to motivate others in this depressing lockdown.
Yes, even I want to do something for people like me.
Have you seen this page motivating machine?
Wow, they have really inspiring and motivating content.
Can we also make our own page like this?
Yeah, but I don't know how to search for quotes and make this ultra HD content like motivating machine.
So let's drop this idea. Wait, I'm sure you'll be able to relate with Tina and John because I have thousands of messages asking me about how do you search and make these HD posts. Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and you are watching Motivating Machine. In this video, I am going to reveal everything how do you search and make these HD posts on mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And I recommend you to watch this video till last for full information. Before going into how to make the content, let's see how to search for a right background for a good quote. So the first question is how to find a good quote. In my previous video 10 best mantras to gain massive followers on Instagram by Motivating Machine, in 6th point follow same niche, I explained you why following same niche is important. Except that the more important reason to follow same niche is we stay updated with the most trending content in our niche. When I see any post attractive, I save that post and later when I get free time, I open my saved post where I have hundreds of my best selected quotes already posted from other pages. I pick one among them. And the best part is, you don't have to remember that quote. Just take the screenshot of that post and in the end of this video, I will show you how can you copy that quote from the screenshot without even typing a single letter. After selecting a good quote, next part is how to select right background for that quote. Motivational niche is all about how nicely you can relate your background with your quote. The more you will be able to relate, more people will like and share, and obviously more engagement you will get. Now I am going to show you 3 ways how can you search for the right background. First is downloading background from websites. Many websites are there which provide free wallpapers to download, but the hard part is to find the right wallpaper which will fit to your quote. Few of the websites are HD Wallpaper, Unsplash, Wallpaper Cave, where I used to initially download my wallpapers in the beginning. But now I think that was waste of time. I won't recommend to use this method to search background for your post. Second is Instagram. This is place from where I get 90% of my backgrounds for my quotes. With quote pages, I have also followed many other pages like wildlife photographers, editing pages, Photoshop editors, and models also. Like quotes, whenever I see any good background on Instagram, I save them in my collections. I have 2 collections in my saved posts, one for quotes and another one for backgrounds. And people who think that we cannot download Instagram posts are wrong. There are hundreds of applications available on Play Store using which we can download Instagram posts. Third and last one is Pinterest. Pinterest is very useful to search for a background images of Instagram posts. Let's say you saw one post on Instagram which has quote and background image and you want that background image to write your own quote. Then follow this small tutorial to get that background image. Here I have explained you everything you need to know about searching right background for good quote. One more point I want to add is never miss any special occasion like Brother's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, etc. And on the other hand, don't forget to share any sad news. For example, my recent post was on racism, whatever happened in America, or loss of any celebrity. These are the posts where people are able to connect with them emotionally. And my most of the viral posts are of these trending topics only. In starting of this video, I told you don't have to remember the quote, just take the screenshot. Sometimes quotes are too long and it's hard to remember them. Not only that, in typing also you can do any spelling mistakes also, which I generally do. Now I will show you how can you copy that quote from the screenshot without even typing a single letter. Here we have completed how to search for the right content. Now next video I am going to show you how do I make this HD post in 5 minutes on mobile. Few of the highlights of next video are all the apps I have used till now, which app I am using currently and is the best, one more app to edit the background images, how to add black gradient, how to make golden shining font, how to export in Ultra HD quality. So next video is going to be very interesting. Click the bell icon to get next video's update, share it with your friends and ask me anything in comment section. I am replying to each comment. Thank you.